How's it going, humans? In this video, we're gonna make a secret hidden book to open up our little secret door that we made in part 2. And for the first time ever, this is gonna go exactly to plan. Oh God. Oh no. Staf. Oh no. God, that looks like shit. Uh-oh. It's like maple syrup. Oh no. You're never gonna know. So what I'm thinking for this is we're going to have a book. It's gonna sit here. I'm gonna do a right angle. It's kind of a hard pull at that angle. I might need a pulley. If only I had a pulley. But I have these little wheels, but it's just too big. This is here. So what I figured out with these caster wheels is they actually have a little plastic shaft in the middle, and I'll show you. Like this. So this ended up being a smaller radius to use, and I ended up cutting out a hole in the middle just so that this cord could fit through, and it made it all nice and fancy. So fancy. So with one in place, I added another one to the inside and gave it a test run. See that movement? That's what we want. I like it. So for the book, 2.5 by 7 by 7 by 7 square books? Is that a thing? I mean, you could do 6. 6 by 2.5 by 8. So 6 by 2.5 by 8. Let's make a book. So I'm not using anything fancy for this. This is just some 1/8 inch plywood that I have laying around. For the book pages, I ended up using some 8/4 cherry because I had it laying around. It's a common theme with me. And to my surprise, it actually ended up looking like pages. It's this way. Touch. Want that to sit kind of flush. This is what it's like. Not Pac-Man. Let's actually go see how this is all gonna sit. Oh, let's go this way. Oh God. Oh, tripod in the ribs. Oh no. Oh, I'm stuck. Hold on. Oh, bad things. Hello. We'll sit here and go like this. Look at this. Let's just figure out where this is gonna go. And the lower it is, the less leverage you get. There we go. My pencil. I think it works. Check this out. Oh, I'm very happy human. I do want to be able to secure this to the side, just so it holds a little tighter. So here's the cool thing that we're going to do with the book. We're going to use some rare earth magnets. We'll embed them into the cover. Ow, that's hot. And I will sink probably just some screws. So we're gonna epoxy these in. Mixy. Let that sit, give that 10, 15, 20 minutes, because 5 minutes is always a lie. Let's make a front of a book. 2 1/8 by 7 3/4. And for the front, I'm just using some scrap ash that I had laying around from my Viking shield build. Oh no. I didn't think about that. So apparently when you're using a pivot, it needs to be at the front of your pivot point, or else you're just gonna ram the front of your book into your shelf. And that's not gonna be pleasant for anyone. I also added a round over to the front of these, but I didn't record it, so I thought I'd recreate it for you. This is how it went. It's a lot of glue. Stuff. Oh, come on. Oh, let's go try. Now let me know in the comments if you're one of the people that saw this on Instagram or TikTok and got really upset with me for not telling you what was inside the door. That is so fun. Yeah. Like, some of you are really invested in knowing what's inside here. This is how it works. Is that gonna satisfy your needs, or should I just be nice and show you in case you didn't go and watch part 2 yet? So now with the shell of the book taken care of, shell? Wait, it's the inside. Does that make it the nut? Yeah. With the book nut taken care of, now it was time to wrap it in a leather shell. It's a book. Now that we have our book, I'm going to just put some finish on this, do some stitching, and then we'll attach it to our book. Let's really clean this table. It's kind of a mess. But, you know, apparently I'm an artist. Oh man, is that too much? Move it around. Oh no, it'll be okay, right? It's supposed to look old anyways. Did I ruin it? I don't know. I think I broke it. Why did that happen? Wow. Huh. Well, that looks like garbage. Well, that's unfortunate. I don't know. Do you know? Because I don't know. I know it looks horrible. I know it looks like I ruined it. Awesome. God, that looks like shit. Not gonna get any worse, right? What does the bottle say? Dampen first with water. Dampen first with water. Yeah, I didn't do that. Why would I do that? Why would I read the instructions? It seems silly. Not very good. Shiny. Moving on. Uh-oh. That's not gonna be enough. Uh-oh. That's not enough. Well, that's annoying. Let's have more brown hiding somewhere. Hey! Ha! 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 I found the brown. Why is it over here? And I have this one too. Man. What's the matter with me? Right over left, left over right. Done. It's a book. Well, it will be a book. Still doesn't look the best, but I want to get it contact cemented. Just gonna use a standard contact cement. I need tape. I don't know if this is a good idea, but we're gonna do it. It's like molasses. Oh, stop pouring. That'd have been the worst idea that I've ever done. Today, I have a lot of bad ideas. We'll talk about those. That'll be for another video. Hugh's mistakes. It's like maple syrup. Oh no. So it's been about 20 minutes and it's all dry to the touch. This way. I'm gonna take the lazy way out with the top here. I know. Don't judge me. You're never gonna know. We have a book. Let's go put it in. Aha, there we go. We can close it up. Oh, that's gonna be nice. Ooh, I like that. Okay. Let's get our string and our spring. Oh yeah. So good. Look at this thing. It is a book. And there you have it. A leather-bound book to open up. Locked. Deal with that later. Thank you very much for sticking around and watching part 3 in our series on making hidden things. Part 4, we're going to come back and we're going to make this little robot lamp to open up our hidden bookcase. So stick around, check that out. And once again, thank you very much for investing your time and watching me build a thing. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.